बजने वाले हैं और 11 बजे मैं चली जाती हूँ, बट आई माइट स्टे इफ यू talk to me via stickers. Now, when I come in front of you, I want you to say something nice to me and compliment me. Will you do that? करेंगे आपका compliment? Huh? Should I come? Come on, guys. Should I come? You see, you're not talking. I'm gonna go away. Hey, Rohan. तड़पाए मुझे तेरी सभी बातें, एक बार है दीवाने, झूठा ही सही प्यार तो कर। मैं भूली नहीं सभी मुलाकातें, बेचैन करके मुझसे बिना फेरी नजर। हाय, how do I look? How do I look? कैसी लग रही है मैं? How's it? How is it, darling? Pretty. है ना? रूठेगा ना मुझसे मेरे साथिया, ये वादा कर, जीना मेरा मुश्किल है तेरे बिना, मेरे दिल पर जरा जरा रहता है आज तक मेरा तन बदन। मैं प्यासे हूँ। हाय प्रियांकु, मुझे भर ले अपनी बाहों में है मेरी कसम, तुझको सनम दूर कहीं ना जा, ये दूरी कह दी है पास मेरे आ जा रे। Look at that number. तड़पाए मुझे तेरी ना 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 ना। You're not talking to me. I'm gonna go in 2 minutes. I'm gonna just go. Is it okay? Yes, I remember. Hey, Simranpreet. बिना तेरे कोई दिलकश नजारा हम न देखेंगे, तुम ही ना हो पसंद उसको दोबारा हम न देखेंगे, तेरी सूरत ना हो जिसमें, हाँ तेरी सूरत ना हो जिसमें, वो शीशा तोड़ देंगे हम अगर तुम मिल जाओ, जमाना छोड़ देंगे हम। Hey Rohan, you do, Lakshman? Yeah. Anyway, now that you're not talking, I'm going. Bye. Bye, Mia. Ta-da. Vidya. So this is the thing that we do. Whenever you give me, kiss me stickers, like more than 20, you get a kiss like this. Vidya. Mwah. चलो मेरी जान, बाय बाय। Wear nose ring. That's a weird demand. Anybody else wants me to wear a nose ring on this? It might look good actually, Lakshman, for all you know. It just might. Tight Hagron Gupta. I love you, Tushar Agrawal. How is it going? Are you fine? Are you doing okay? Gandhi bath, venom flows. Acha, venom flows. Damn you. Good taste. How are you? How are you doing? Are you doing fine? Are you happy? Yeah? Hi, Shubho. Somebody was calling. You wanna call me now? You can. I'll pick up. Sahib. Okay. Let me figure out where it is. The nose ring is man. I don't want to kill the ambience. I can't find it right now. Sorry. चलिए मेरी जान. It's time to say goodnight. Good night, my love. I shall see you soon. I don't know when, but I shall see you soon, and we'll catch up and we'll talk like this. Till then, see you. बस आपसे बाय बाय करना है. गुड नाइट बोलेंगे. बाय बाय ना क्लोज. बाय साहिब. टाटा. Before I go, like every other night, I tell you this. एक बार फिर से मैं आप सभी को यही बोलूंगी कि लाइफ अब अच्छी हो रही है. आई नो सिर्फ मेरे लिए नहीं, आपके लिए भी हो रही है. इतने स्ट्रांगली आपने इतने सारे महीने निकाल दिए. अब हिम्मत मत खोइए. अब पेशेंस मत खोइए. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. पैसे वापस आ जाएंगे. काम वापस शुरू हो जाएगा. आपके सपने वापस से पूरे होने लगेंगे. ठीक है. You're wonderful, you're amazing, and in case if you're feeling lonely, just know कि आप हमेशा अकेले नहीं रहेंगे. I know you doubt sometimes whether you will ever find love. Let me tell you that you will. You will, because you're worthy of it. We all do, you know. Wait for a while and choose the right person. Attract the right person, and you'll be fine. Okay? All the best. I love you, and you are loved. You're one unique man, and God is taking care of you. And so am I. I love you. Mwah. Good night.